Hello, we are Group 56 and we worked on a system that manages building details using CRUD operations. I am Gabriel Kena-Bonti, the group leader. Each member will now introduce themselves and share their contribution. As leader, I coordinated the project, built the backend, and handled the database connections, and also worked on some of the CSS styling. Our system is designed to manage building records using create, read, update, and delete operations.
Hi, my name is Sebastian, a member of Group 56, and I was a front-end developer for my group, where I worked on the HTML template, create, update, delete, as well as edit pages. And my main focus was to ensure that the user interface is simple and that different operations flow smoothly from one page to another. Thank you.
I'm Samuel Peter and I worked on demonstration and deployment of our system. I set up the Flask server and ensured that the system could run on different machines. I also prepared the demo environment and supported our team during testing to make the project presentation ready.
Hi, I'm Gabriel. I was responsible for the testing and debugging. I carefully checked each feature, create, read, update, and delete to ensure the system worked smoothly and perfectly without errors. Thank you.
Hi, my name is the Chicken Elvis. I'm a member of Group 56 and contributed by researching the best practice for building CRUD application with Flask. I suggested improvements to the system design and also worked on adding small extra features such as form validation and ensuring good user interaction. My role was to make sure the project was both functional and aligned with modern standards. Thank you.
Okay, so I am Reginald Grant, and then I was responsible for the CSS styling. My role was to design a clean, attractive, and user-friendly interface. I styled the forms, button, making sure that application is easy to use and visually appealing. Thank you.
So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate our first operation, the create operation. So here, I'll create a new building record. Let's say the name of the building is the Empire State Building, located on this street. Let's just say it has 13 floors and was built in 1965, and it has a building code of BCA. Once I submit, the data is saved into our database. As you can see, the new building has been added successfully to our database. Next, I can see all the buildings stored in the system. Here we can see the list of records including the one I just added. Now let's update the details of this building. I'll change the number of floors to 10. I'll change the year built to 1800, and I'll also change the location as well to Benilong Point, Sydney. Now when I save, the backend updates the database and the new information appears here. Finally, I'll delete one record, and when I confirm, the system removes it from the database, and as you can see, it no longer appears in the list. Through this project, I learned how to connect a database to a front-end system. I also improved my debugging and teamwork skills. That concludes our demonstration. Our system allows users to create, view, update, and delete building records with a clear interface, backend logic, and database support. Once again, this is Group 56, and this was our project.